Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all fine at your home. I'm your English teacher. You are from grade 3 and today in our literature reader book we are going to learn this lesson. The topic is the selfish tortoise. Lesson number 3. Okay children, the selfish tortoise. T-H-E the S-E-L-F-I-S-H shellfish. Tortoise. Tortoise. Today we are going to learn more moral values and the lesson completely. Okay children, let us move on to the lesson. Okay, this is an imagination about story about animals. Okay children, it is an imagination. What you are seeing in this picture children? Yes, are you seeing tortoise there? Yes, so it is fully funny, isn't it? Yes, today we are going to learn about tortoise. What about his character? Okay, so this tortoise is very proud character. He was very proud and greedy. He got always he will always say about him very more. That means what? Describe about him more. And it is also dishonest person. Dishonest person means what children? Yes, he is always what? He will cheat others. He don't have any honesty in his. Okay, children. So this particular tortoise is very proud, greedy, and dishonest. Okay, so there is one more sweet character in him. What is that sweet character? That is not sweet character children. See, he was so nice to others whenever he need help, whenever he need something. Okay children, whenever he need, if he want any help or something, he will very sweet and nice person to that particular person. When he got the help, when he got what he wanted, and suddenly this particular tortoise will ignore them and walk away. Okay children, it after that he won't mind them. Okay children, do you understood? Whenever he need any help from others, he will go and talk to them very nice and sweet. He will behave with them very sweet. And after that, when he got everything from that person, that means what? The help he needed, after that he never mind them. He easily he will ignore the person, and he will walk away from them. Okay, he after that he never mind them. Okay children, so about him, he all know about, others all know about him. Nobody liked this particular tortoise. Nobody likes, but this tortoise, he did not care about anything. He needs only his proud, he is always dishonest, and he never he did not mind anybody, and nobody likes also. He never bother about it. He did not care about it, isn't it? We will care for others, isn't it children? If you like something, you will care for others, isn't it? But this tortoise doesn't do anything. He did not care about anything. Okay children, he had a good wife. Okay, this tortoise had a good wife, who always looked after him. So she always take care of this particular tortoise. Okay, he had a good courted wife. Okay, see, she will always take care of this tortoise. Okay, so one day there was a lot of excitement among the birds. Only the birds can touch the sky and the earth, isn't it children? Yes, so they are very happy. Okay, who are all very happy? Yes, the birds are very happy. What is the reason for the excitement? The tortoise have to come know, isn't it? Tortoise must know why they are happy. So they are all very happy. He want to know that. So tortoise came to know that the birds had all been invited to a great feast in the sky. What is meant by feast children? A large meal. That means what? Different variety of meal. That means what? Variety of food. Okay, so of course he also want to go there, isn't it? So they all prepared to go to the sky for the great feast. So tortoise also wants to go there. So he is going to meet the birds who are all there. So tortoise also went to meet the birds. So tortoise is saying that, birds, please take me with you, he said. So again he is saying that he is requesting. Who is requesting? Yes, the tortoise is requesting that I'm a good person. I'm not before like that. Before what I am now, I'm a good person. Please take me with you. So he is begging to the birds. So he is also promising that I have become good now. So everybody who is there, the birds are there, isn't it? So everybody is saying that maybe he has changed. So all the birds are saying that okay, you have changed. So but they are saying, feeling very sorry for him, because he don't have feathers, isn't it? Birds are all having feathers, isn't it? With the feathers only they are all flying, isn't it, children? But did tortoise had feathers? No, isn't it? So the birds are feeling very sorry for him, because he could not have what? Feathers. So he cannot fly, isn't it? So there is no wings for the feathers. So they decided, again they are saying that you don't have feathers, how can you fly with us to the sky? So again the tortoise is pleasing them, please think some way, uh, please find some way, he is begging, please find some way for me to fly. So the birds thought about it, thought about his request. So at last they all came up with an idea. They are all decided to take tortoise with them. Okay, children, they all want tortoise to get back. So they are all came up with an idea. So what they are deciding is, let's each give him one feather. Okay, the all the birds, okay, all the birds who are all there, they have to give one feather to tortoise. So he will be able to fly like us. So so that they need all the feathers, isn't it? They need all the birds to give the feathers. So messages were sent to all the birds of the world that were to meet at the village meadow. So all the birds have to come and meet in one place for this discussion. They have decided. Okay, children. So all the birds have come there. So to give tortoise a feather. Okay, so there were parrots, peacocks, ostriches, eagles, every birds are there, isn't it? There are so many kinds of birds are there. There are different shape, there are different shape, size and color, isn't it? The feathers is also different colors, shape, isn't it? So each birds gave tortoise a feather, and there are more feathers, isn't it? If each and every bird, if they give the each and every bird, if they give the feathers, means the tortoise also can fly, isn't it? So tortoise was ready to fly to go to the great meal, that means the feast, isn't it? So it was looking, after getting the feathers, the tortoise got the feathers from all the birds, and he is ready to go, isn't it? So after wearing that feathers, he looked very beautiful and colorful. Okay, so all the birds who are all there, they are saying that you are looking so beautiful and colorful. So all the birds stood around him, and they are all admiring the beauty of the tortoise with the feathers. It is very new, isn't it, children? If the tortoise is with the feathers, it will be very beautiful, isn't it? So they are all saying that you are looking very beautiful. So then it was time to start. They have to go to the meal, isn't it? They have to go, they have to fly, isn't it? They have to start. It is the time to start. Say so they took off, and tortoise also took off with them. So they started to fly. So he found himself. Who is that? Yes, the tortoise found himself. He was flying. It is very high in the air. It is very new experience, isn't it, children? And if he doesn't know to fly, isn't it? He always inside the water and upon the water, somewhere in the earth, isn't it? But it is very new feeling he got. He was flying in the air, isn't it? So he is seeing the clouds, what there, he is admiring all the beauty in the sky. It was so happy, and he got the lovely feathers, isn't it? He had born again. He feel that he had born again. So soon they reached the sky. So all the things he is admiring. Who is admiring? Yes, the tortoise is admiring. So soon they reached the sky. The sky people who are all there, they are welcoming them, okay, welcoming the birds and the tortoise. So they are very warm welcome there, they are welcoming them. And the sky people seeing tortoise colorful feathers, it isn't it, he got very colorful because all the birds, they are got different colors, isn't it? So the feathers are looking very colorful, and they are all seeing the tortoise again and again. So they thought that was the tortoise was the king of the birds. Who? The sky people who is living in the sky. So they are all thinking that the tortoise is the king of the birds. For what purpose they all went there? Yes, for the great meal, the variety of foods, and lot of food is there to eat, isn't it? So the food was brought it on great platters. That means what? The big plates full of food, variety of foods are there. So if we see that, we are mouth water, isn't it, children? Yes, we also want to eat, isn't it? So after seeing the great platters, the food was brought, and the tortoise eyes grow bigger and bigger. That means what? That much excitement, that much what, he eager to eat all the food, taste all the food. So his eyes was growing bigger and bigger. So it was very what, happy feeling, isn't it, to see all such kind of food, isn't it? So he began to eat. Who began to eat, children? Yes, the tortoise began to eat. He was giving such noise that eating food, while eating food he was giving such noise. And also he is eating as fast as he could. He want to eat more and more, and also at the same time he also want to eat fast also. So he want to eat fast, so that he will give making some noise, and also he is eating very fastly. So each items was there, was very tasty. The other birds also there, isn't it? They all also have come to eat the food, isn't it? Have the food. So the birds tried to get a bite, okay, but the tortoise did not leave them to come near to the food. Is that clear for you, children? The tortoise did not leave any bird, the single bird, to come and get the food. He want to eat more, so he didn't even allow the birds to come near to the food. So what happened, he ate fully. Who had fully? Yes, the tortoise had full food fully. And what how can it possible, isn't it? The at last the birds got a chance to get near to the feast. So because after eating, came after he came the he came from that place. So the birds are there, they went to eat some have some food. They are going near to the feast, but there is no food at all. That means what, very little amount of food is there. And it is not enough for all the food, all the birds, isn't it? Because all the food which is kept there, everything tortoise had, isn't it, children? So there is no food at all, there is very little amount of food is there. So this is terrible, isn't it, no, children? The birds are very angry. They are shouting like anything. Why you are like this? Why you are like this? You are not at all giving anything to us. You had fully. What is this? So after screaming, that means what, they are shouting at tortoise, isn't it? So they have come all together to have food, isn't it? But they did not get any food. They were shouting like anything. And this is the time to go back to the earth, isn't it? They returned to go home, but they took away the feathers they had given to the tortoise. They want the feathers to get back, isn't it, children? So with the angry, all the birds are very angry, isn't it? So they have to go back to the home. But they did not go back simply. They want the feathers to get. So they have given the tortoise the feathers, isn't it? So they are all asking for the feathers. So suddenly they asked, there is no feathers also. So tortoise realized that he was without wings. There is no feathers, there is no wings for him. So that if without wings, how can he fly, isn't it? He cannot fly, isn't it? Yes. So he will fell down, he cannot even fly for a single step. So after that only he realized, I don't have wings. So he was seeing there, parrot is there, the parrot is there behind there. He saw the parrot, and the tortoise is requesting the parrot to what the request is about. He is pleasing because he have to go to the home, isn't it? So he is pleasing to the parrot, please take a message to my wife. So what is the message? He want to send a message to his wife. Who want to send a message, children? Yes, the tortoise want to send a message to his wife. What the message is about, he want to go, the parrot to have to go and meet his wife and tell her to spread all the softest mattress, bed sheets, cushions, everything what is in this home. So everything in the garden. Okay, is that clear for you, children? His wife, tortoise wife, want to take all the softest mattress and cushions what is there in the home, and he have to spread all over the garden there. So if he decided to jump there from the sky to the earth. Do you understood? Is that clear for you, children? Yes, the tortoise decided to jump there from the sky to the earth straight away to his home. Is that clear? So if there is a mattresses and cushions are there, he won't get hurt, isn't it? There is no hurt at all, isn't it? So he want to give the softest mattress to the is spread all the softest mattress on the garden. So he is requesting to the parrot to send convey the message to his wife. Okay, so and the parrot is also accepting what he is saying, and parrot is going there to the earth, and he met his wife, tortoise wife there, but he did not say what the tortoise said. Is that clear? What the tortoise said, children? He want to spread all over the softest cushions, isn't it? But the parrot told everything very very opposite to his wife. He told to the tortoise wife to bring out all the hardest things in the house, nails, axes, spades, everything. He and everything there and spread out all over the garden. For what, children? For what? If the tortoise jump from the sky, he will get hurt, isn't it? What will happen, children? It will hurt. If we jump from the high places, what will happen? We'll break ourselves, isn't it? So the parrot want to do that. So the poor Mrs. Toys, that means what, his wife Toys also believed in parrot what he is saying. Okay, children, the tortoise said a message that differently, but the parrot conveyed the message to the tortoise wife differently. That is totally different. The tortoise asked for softest cushions. The parrot said the oppositely. He want the hardest things. So the tortoise, Mrs. Tortoise, that is tortoise wife, also believed in parrot, and she took all the hardest things, and she spread over on the garden. So now what happened? Who decided to jump from the sky? Yes, the tortoise decided to jump from the sky. So the what now what happened? He fell on the hard places. Who fell on the hard places? Yes, the tortoise fell on the hard places. He jumped from the sky to the earth. So near correctly to that exact place, the garden. So what is there in the garden? What is there, children? Yes, the hardest things, the spades all there, isn't it? So his wife spread out all the hard things. He fell on the hard sharp things. Sharp things is also there. So he jumped on he fell on the hard sharp things. What happened? The shell cracked. Whose shell is cracked? Yes, the a tortoise shell is cracked in 100 pieces, and he cannot replace the pieces into one, isn't it? He cannot mend, isn't it, children? Yes. So he also got hurt, and fractures are there. His shell cracked into 100 pieces, so everything was collapsed. Okay, children. So this is the end of the story. The story is end here. So what are all the things you have learned in this story, children? Yes, the moral thing, you should be very honest person. The tortoise is very dishonest person, isn't it? He is very proud also. He is proud and greedy. You should not be proud, children. Whatever it is, you should be very polite. Whenever you go, whenever you reach your destination, that is your aim, you should be very polite. You should not be a proud person. So the second thing what he got, he will ignore the persons if he get after getting the good things from the others. If he need any help, he will go and what match with them. That means he will behave a good and sweet manner, but after getting the good things from them, what he will do, he will ignore them easily. It should not, isn't it, children? So you should respect the person till the end. You should not be ignored. You should not ill treating the people is a very bad behavior, isn't it, children? Being selfish also very behavior. You should spread honest, you should spread love, and you should love others. That means what? You should spread love, you should show love, kindness to others. So you should help others. If you want to help other, if you want any help, if you help others, then only you will get back the help. Okay, children. So these are all the good things we are learned from this lesson, isn't it? The tortoise is very bad, isn't it? So if he want to fly, after going there also, he went to the sky, isn't it? Do you remember? Yes, he went to the sky. After seeing the food, he didn't even leave the other birds to come and eat. He did not share anything to the others. Is that clear, children? Yes. So he did not share any food. He want to eat alone. Is that good behavior? No. If you get small things also, you should share with the nearby person. That is the good behavior, isn't it? Everybody should be happy. Everybody should get all the things. Don't think you must have all the things, others should not have. The tortoise think like that only, isn't it? Yes. So he did not share any food to others. What happened at last? He hurt himself. His shell broken out into hundreds of pieces. Is that clear? So if we not behaving good, at last we also get the same what the tortoise was faced, isn't it? So we must be good, then only our life is also very good. If our tortoise after seeing all the food, he would have shared with everybody. So they are also very happy, isn't it? All the birds also very happy. Only because of the birds, the tortoise went to the sky, isn't it? Is it possible to fly, children? No. After getting help from all the birds only, the tortoise was flying, isn't it? So all the birds are very kind enough to help the tortoise. What he only want to fly. The tortoise only want to fly. He asked help, but at last he did not give the food to others, isn't it? So that is not good behavior. So the parrot thought that nothing wrong in that. He conveyed the wrong message, isn't it? That is also bad only. But even then, what they decided to teach the lesson to tortoise, isn't it? So the parrot conveyed the wrong message to the wife of the tortoise, isn't it? So that only he got hurt, isn't it? Otherwise he would have, the tortoise wife would have spread the softest thing. He not get hurt, isn't it? So if we are good, the other people also behave with us very good. If you are bad, if you are selfish, if you are dishonest, if you are not respecting others, the other people also do the same for you, isn't it, children? So we learned the good things from this lesson. I hope you like this lesson. You have learned so many good things, isn't it? So let us see in the next video. Thank you, children. Watch the videos fully, and if you do not understand, again you watch 2 or 3 times so that you can understand very easily. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.